Hello everyone, I am Cnix. Spring is in full bloom. Do you have any exciting plans? To make sure your plans go smoothly, Cnix has released the C alarm. Yes, as you might guess, it's related to alarms, more specifically to false alarms. False alarms can seriously disrupt your good plans. That's exactly what we set out to prevent. Despite of technological advances, false alarms are still persistent issues in the field. In some extreme cases, operators will even turn off the entire alarm system and continue running their equipment without it. Let's take a closer look at what I mean. The graph you are looking at shows a typical motor vibration patterns, but take a look at those sudden spikes sticking out here and there. We call these spikes, they are abrupt surges in the signal. The motor's vibrations usually follow a clean, periodic waveform. But from time to time, these spikes appear. In most cases, they are not caused by a problem with the motor itself. Instead, they are due to electrical or mechanical noises in the surrounding environments. Of course, it would be great if these spikes didn't happen at all. But in real industrial sites, filled with all kinds of electrical and mechanical equipment, they are practically unavoidable. In the worst-case scenario, these spikes can paralyze operations. Let me walk you through a live demo to show you exactly what I mean. What you see here is a typical simulation of motor vibration data. It would be great if the signal stayed smooth like this, but in reality, spikes can occur due to nearby high-voltage cables, welding activities, or even sudden physical impacts on the motor. In this situation, a traditional alarm system may trigger pneumatic alarms. The problem arises when these alarms occur too frequently in a short time. This can disrupt the equipment operation and, of course, production as well. Because in most cases, when technicians investigate these alarms and actually disassemble the motor for maintenance, they find nothing wrong. By stopping the equipment just to check false alarms leads to unnecessary downtime. And yet, you can't just turn off the alarm either. It's a frustrating situation. In fact, some sites do end up disabling their alarms entirely. But now, you don't have to worry about false alarm anymore. C-Alarm by Cnix is here to protect your rest time. Take a look at the red anomaly alarm on left. Even when traditional pneumatic alarms are triggered, C-Alarm analyzes the natural fluctuation patterns of the data. It filters out short-lived, sharp spikes that deviate from normal patterns, so your rest won't be interrupted by meaningless alerts. If a spike-like signal persists over time, the alarm interprets it as a potential anomaly and generates an anomaly alarm, since it may indicate an actual issue. Also, if the vibration value becomes fixed within a valid range, like in cases of sensor failure or line short, where there's almost no data variation, C-Alarm detects this and raises an anomaly alarm as well. When used together with the Cnix DAQ system, C-Alarm can store and serve the waveform data around each alarm event, making post-analysis easy. So from now on, you can keep your alarm system on without any worries, thanks to C-Alarm. And best of all, it doesn't even require a GPU. Thank you for watching this video.